Oh my god, you can see double of me. Hey. So I'm sorry I'm in a little bit of like a dark area right now, but I'm sure it's gonna make sense eventually. But today I'm going to head to IKEA, I'm going to Home Goods, I might hit up Target, I basically live there so it's inevitable, to pick out some new stuff for my desk area. It's actually this desk right here, it's a little laptop desk that I got from IKEA. It was originally my vanity. I don't need a space specifically for a vanity, like I used to have the makeup drawers and all of that kind of stuff, but it was just getting a little bit too much for me. I don't really need all of that stuff. I'm pretty minimalistic. I don't like keeping things that I'm not using. So I got rid of all that, and now I want this to function as a makeup slash work area. So I'm looking for more storage because I live in a very small apartment and we don't really have any closets. We have that closet, which is my my clothes closet. I don't want a lot of storage, but I need something because I'm starting to have a few bits and pieces floating around my house where I have nowhere to put them, and that bothers me to no end. I'm someone that needs, like, everything I own needs a home. I can't just have things like floating around my house. It drives me crazy. So I'm going out, I'm thinking I'm gonna get some shelves. I want to get some things to, like some boxes and things so that I can hide the stuff. I might get some office supplies because, as I said, I do want to make this like a workspace for me. So me as a person, the environment that I'm in greatly affects my productivity and my creativity and my general mood. I feel like if I really pimp this little space out, it's just going to help me so much. And also, I am a little bit of an interior design nerd. And yes, I do want to do a home tour eventually. I have got a lot of requests for it, but my home isn't done yet, as you can see. So this is just a little project that I'm going to take you guys along with me. I've never really filmed in public before, not since I was a kid, when I was usually like with my best friend or something. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm super excited. I love working on projects like this. I love working with my hands, and I just think it's gonna be a ton of fun, and I'm really excited to take you guys with me. So I'm going to spin you around real quick so you can see what I'm working with right now. Okay, so this is the space that I'm talking about. It's actually a corner of my bedroom. It's the only available space I had for this desk. This is basically what I'm working with. It is pretty lonely, pretty unkept and forgotten about. And that's just Daisy's toy box, which also doesn't have a permanent home. I might keep it there, I might put it somewhere else, I don't know. Alright, let's go deal with this. I'm super excited, let's roll! So I'm in IKEA, right? I'm hiding in the mattress comforter section, and I keep getting distracted. How cute is this? It's like $8. I have 2 of these, but as I said, I keep getting distracted. Like, look, I found this tray and I need a dish drying thing, and also I found these cute tea towels. So I'm having a really good time, but I'm not getting anything done. I'll keep looking. I'll get out of the comforter section and hopefully find something. Okay, so I'm in the lighting section now. I located the shelf, so I'm hoping it's the right one. It doesn't say what it is on the box, so I guess that's gonna be a little bit of a surprise when I get home. Not really sure about a light. What do you guys think? Should I put a light? I'm so confused. And I keep picking up things that aren't meant for the desk area. My whole house is gonna have a lot of stuff, but my desk is... This is why it hasn't been done yet. Blech. I get distracted. Okay, so I'm just leaving IKEA now, and I am really happy with that whole trip. It was insane. It was the one time where I went there and they had like everything that I ever wanted, but I got some really cool pieces for my house because I get distracted easily, but I did get the shelf and I got a few plants. But I'm feeling super productive, super happy, and I'm going to go to Home Goods and see what they have. It is now another day. It is Friday today. I ran out of time yesterday Coming back from IKEA, I had some other chores to do, so I didn't have time to go to Home Goods or anything. So for all of the stuff that I got at IKEA yesterday, it was under $50, which I was super stoked about. I'm going to go to Home Goods and Target and see what I can find. I thought I'd do a little bit of an outfit of the day moment. I like this outfit, it's cute. I got this at PacSun, and the shoes are Windsor Smith. Bye Daisy, I won't be going long. I love you, bye. Oh my god, I always feel so bad. Bye, be good. Okay, so I think I've decided for my first stop, I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack because it's the closest to me, and then I might check out Joann's, which I know sounds really weird, and I'm actually terrified to go in there, but I went at Christmas time and they had a bunch of like little house stuff, like succulents and stuff like that, so I mean it's right next door and it couldn't hurt to check it out, so I will quickly go in there. And fun fact, I used to work at the Nordstrom, so I frequently run into old friends that I had while I worked there, so I don't know if I'm going to be any good at filming in there, but I will try my best. Here we go! Okay, next stop, Joann's. I'm terrified, help me. Okay, so one thing I'm learning is that Joann's is not as cheap as I thought it was going to be, at least not for the stuff that I like. There are some cuter things, like I really like the shelf and the cushion. I don't know, I'm not really finding any little stuff so far. I hate when I find something like, oh, this is cute, and then, what the fuck is this? Really? Okay, so I just got done at Nordstrom and Joann's, so I'm going to go to Home Goods now. Joann's actually had a lot more than I thought they would. I was actually getting overwhelmed because I don't have a lot of money, and I was just finding like a lot of little bits and pieces, but it wasn't for the project. I'm trying to stick to the project. I just got one little thing, and hopefully there will be some good stuff at Home Goods. Okay, so it is now many days later. I had work, and then it was my anniversary with my husband, so we were just hanging out yesterday. But I'm back at it again, and I'm thinking today I want to go to the antique store because I always go to this one out in another town. It's an older town, so there's a lot of antique stores, and they always have these really cool like boho looking trays that I've always wanted. It just doesn't go with the rest of my apartment, so this is like a little area that I can do whatever with. So I'm kind of looking for one of those. I don't think they're gonna have one because I've been to this antique store before and they don't have that kind of stuff, but who knows, maybe today, maybe I'll find something else. If I'm going to be honest with you guys, I am terrified of antique stores. I don't know, they're just like unsettling to me. And the smell, and it's just a lot. So I've never been to an antique store by myself. I always go with my husband, but like today's gonna be an experiment, so I'll have you guys with me when I go, and hopefully it goes good. Hopefully I find something. See, now I feel like I've hit the jackpot, but they're all silver, except for this one, which is gold. I keep finding these gold ones, but they're all square, and I'm looking for a round one. Guess I'll keep looking. This one's really pretty, though. Oh my god, you guys, I don't even have a phone line, and I want this. This is so cool. That's the phone, the numbers. This is cool. Okay, so the antique store was a bust. Not only was it a bust, but I'm like burning up because I was like super anxious in there. I didn't find the tray. I found a million really pretty trays, but they were either silver and the style that I wanted, or they were gold and not the style that I wanted. But I was impressed that they had any at all. I don't know if I'm going to wait until I go to the other antique stores. Wish me luck. It's been a while since I shot that last bit of footage. This whole redoing my desk thing took a little bit longer than I thought just because I had work. So I didn't end up actually going to the stores out in the other town, the antique stores, but I swear I've been to every store in town twice by now. I'm super picky. I want to make sure that I like everything that I get because, you know, I don't have infinite money. I don't want to be getting things that I don't like or I have to throw away eventually. So I really like what I came up with. I think I got everything except for one, well technically two things, but one thing, but I will get that later down the road when I have money for it. So I'm going to spin you guys around again to see the finished product. As I said, I'm really excited about this one. I'm so happy I got it done. I don't mean to be building the hype up, but I'm gonna swirl you around right now and you can see what I did. That's it, you guys. I hope you liked this video. It was a lot of fun to make. If you want to see more interior design content from me, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Another thing I want to mention is that I am almost at 10,000 subscribers, which is completely insane to me. Thank you so much. You guys have no idea how grateful I am. So if you're not subscribed, you might want to, because that will give you a chance to be in the running for that. I want to make it a really dope giveaway, and that is also going to be a Q&A video. I have the question thing on my Instagram, or if you want to just leave a question down below here that you want me to answer, I will definitely try and put it into the Q&A video. Thank you so much for watching. I can't tell you how much I appreciate all of you, really. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!